How to add bio on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add bio on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. After that click complete your profile and then scroll down until you find this one about me and type here anything you want, and that's it. Then click save and you can change it again, and then just change it and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.